Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna create the honest review about this Palmpay website. So in this video, we're gonna find out how we look at the good and the bad of NetSuite. By ending, you will know if it's the right tools for you. So to get started with this AI website called NetSuite, NetSuite is a business tool that lives in the cloud. It's designed to help companies manage their important stuff in one place. Imagine it helps with accounting so you can track your money. Plus, it has a CRM to keep your customers' info organized. You can also track expenses with it. NetSuite also help you automate many tasks and it lets you easily create reports. So it even helps with the implementation of many business process. It's like a big organizer for your business, making it easier to see what's going on and makes good decision. So talking about the important features about this website. So NetSuite has some really cool features. They help business work better and smarter. So let's look at 5 of the best features on this platform, which is a customizable sales template, which helps you create a custom template for yourself. Easy of use. NetSuite is designed to be easy. You don't need to be a tech expert. It has a simple layout. You can find out what you need quickly. It also comes with a report and analytics, with a sales workbook, and comes with a performance indicator, and those are one of the top best features on the platform. So talking about the pricing list, they offer a custom pricing plan based on your requirement. So please contact them to get your perfect plan ready for you. So talking about the pros and cons, which is the advantages and the advantages of this website, is very important to know the weakness and the strengths of this website. So talking about the advantages, they offer all-in-one solution with higher customizable and reliable cloud access and a strong data analytics with automated tasks. So talking about the advantages, they have the high initial cost and a long implementation with a steep learning curve and a complex customization. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this website, if it is the right choice for you. So thank you.